This is 1.5 inch for the drain for the tub, but they're testing it. You can tell. Here's the back side real quick. 1.5 inch. Looks like Schedule 40. And these are the flex lines. They terminate treated this is the green stuff. They got a pressure testing thing there. That's the hot, cold. This looks like it's going to be a vanity to vent out. That's the toilet. It's the cold supply for the toilet. It goes into the fountain, coming through the bottom plate. Goes up top, vented. Put the HVAC ductwork here going on. We'll see it. Got some more plumbing going on there. Water lines. Hot, cold. This is Schedule 40. What size is this? I don't even know. There's a bathroom. Looks like it's a tub with a trap. It comes off and then it catches into this main drain line here. That looks like a toilet. Main drain line feeds in, comes down into this right here. We got another drain line up here. Schedule 40. It has to be 3 inch Schedule 40 up here. Corex cellular core. Yeah, Schedule 40, 3 inch. Looks like these are all the drain lines coming through. Another tub up there. And we have a trap. 1.5 inch drain line trap coming into this connector for the drain. This guy, I don't know. That looks like another. This is that's 2 inch. We'll go up there and we'll see that real fast. But this is yeah. What is that? I don't even know. All the water lines coming through, snaking through, coming here in this little. Oh, that's the main feed coming up, running through right here, and then that's teeing off. I think those water lines come up and down from the bottom. These main bigger water lines, they are, what does this one say? This one says 2 inch. I don't see it. I don't see the, I'm supposed to say it. They look like 2 inch. Oh, no. No, this is, man, I don't know.